Are you planning to completely wipe your SSD? Simply deleting files or formatting is not enough. In this video, I'll show you the safest and most effective way to securely erase your SSD so that no one can ever recover your data. So stay tuned. Before we begin, here are some important warnings. Securely erasing an SSD will permanently wipe all data. There's no way to recover it. So back up important files before proceeding. Here, as you can see, I have two SSDs. One is Samsung and another is WD. I will be showing you by secure erasing my WD SSD. If the SSD is your primary OS drive, you will need to use a bootable USB or another computer. The best way to securely erase a WD SSD is by using Western Digital Dashboard, an official tool from WD. Here's how to do it step by step. Open your browser and go to Western Digital official site. Download and install WD Dashboard on your Windows PC. I have already downloaded, that's why I'm not doing it again. Run the software and select your WD SSD from the list. Click on Tools and click on Identify Device. Now note the serial number of your SSD. You will be needed later. Next, find the Secure Erase option. Now you will need empty USB drive. To create a bootable USB drive to erase this SSD. Because some SSDs require booting into a special environment to erase securely. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a bootable USB. Now insert your USB drive and click on Create USB Drive button. Now read the warning message about your USB as it will be formatted completely. And click on Proceed. Now select your inserted USB drive from here. And click on Proceed. Now keep patience until the process is completed. Now that you have created a bootable USB, let's securely erase the SSD by booting into BIOS. Once done, restart your PC and boot from the USB drive. Follow the instructions to confirm the secure erase options. Plug the bootable USB into your computer. Press the BIOS or BIOS boot manager key repeatedly during startup. Generally F2, F12, delete, escape or F10 depending on your manufacturer. Once inside BIOS or BIOS boot manager, navigate to the boot menu. Go to the boot order section. Select your USB drive and move it to the top, or select your USB drive and hit enter to boot from that. Your system will now boot from the WD Secure Erase USB. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your WD SSD. Okay, once in the WD toolkit, and choose your SSD by following your SSD serial number that you have identified previously from WD dashboard. Now click on Continue. Next, go to Operation section. Select Secure Erase option and continue. And again continue to confirm Secure Erase. If the Secure Erase option is not working or failed, then go back and select the Operation Sanitize and continue. Again continue to confirm. Okay, as you can see, the message is completed successfully. Now exit and shut down your PC. That's it. Now let me show you the drive status from WD dashboard. Okay, as you can see, our drive is successfully erased. Now let me show you from Windows Disk Management. Okay, as you can see, here is our empty SSD. To initialize this SSD again, right click on it. Then again click on Initialize Disk. Now select partition style, GPT or MBR and click OK. After initializing, right click on this unallocated space and click on Simple Volume. Then click on Next. Again click on Next. Now select your drive later and click on Next. Now you can leave the volume level empty. And finally click on Finish. Okay, now our drive is completely ready to use. You can also check the drive status from your SSD dashboard. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, then please hit the like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorial and fixes. Thank you. Thanks for watching.